Hey everyone. Is your Keurig looking a little grimy or tasting off? Yeah. Even regular use can leave mineral buildup, coffee stains, and hidden gunk. In this full guide, I'll show you step by step how to deep clean your Keurig so it brews like new. First, safety first, turn off and unplug your Keurig. Water and electricity don't mix, so we want to be careful. Next, remove the water reservoir, drip tray, K-cup holder, and any other removable components. Yeah, this makes cleaning much easier. Wash the reservoir, drip tray, and K-cup holder in warm, soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and dry. You don't want leftover soap in your coffee. Next, carefully clean the puncture needle and brew head. Use a paper clip or the Keurig cleaning tool to remove coffee grounds and residue that may be clogging it. Mineral buildup can hide deep inside. Fill the reservoir with a descaling solution or equal parts vinegar and water. Run multiple water-only brew cycles to flush the system. While the inside is flushing, wipe the exterior with a damp cloth. Yeah, pay attention to buttons, display, and any coffee splashes. Finally, reassemble all parts, fill with fresh water, and brew a test cup. Your Keurig should now be clean, smooth-flowing, and ready for perfect coffee. And that's it. The fastest way to deep clean your Keurig and keep it brewing like new. If this helped, go ahead and like the video.